Hey, he's only won once.
I finished my soup, Mommy. Hey, Isaiah, look beautiful.
Isaiah looks beautiful.
Yeah. What are coolers? Hey, coolers. Hey, little bird, Daddy.
Hmm.
We should go to a Brewers game when they're down at the down in St. Louis playing the Cardinals.
Oh yeah.
It's only like an hour from here.
Who's gonna watch the kids?
We'll start trusting somebody with our kids, but should see if we can get that training down in Florida and start about